Hello guys, you're welcome back to Mom and Trey. I'll be showing you how to make ham suya. Ham suya. So this is not beef, it is ham suya. You know, the children are back from school and I'm trying to make them happy. They've missed a lot. So mommy's duty, mommy is back. Just look at that one coming to eat plantain. See him, he has run away. So the house is filled. This is ham suya. You're going to like it. Just stay tuned and watch, okay? I'm slicing it. Yeah, slicing it one after the other. After slicing, I'm going to pop it into the oven. But I have to slice because it's a lot. Ham suya is very nice. This is the second time I'm making it because they love it. I don't add much because it's salty already. According to my children, say it has taste. So I will just put suya pepper. You can see how it is. I've sliced it. That is the suya pepper. I'm going to add on it. Yeah, sprinkle the suya pepper. Then I will add Cameroon pepper because in this family the food must be spicy. And the last thing I will add, because all of us like garlic, that is garlic. Sprinkle the garlic and mix it very well. Like I told you, if you know ham is already tasty, so we just want to convert it to suya so we can use it to drink as a snack. You can see how it is, right? If I don't tell you it's not beef, you won't know, but that is ham. I'm going to pop it into the oven right now. The suya is ready.
Oh yeah!
Let's add a little bit of suya pepper. What do you think? This is nice. I need to test it before I give to the children. If not, they will finish it. This pepper is going to be hot. Ham suya. I pray I shouldn't argue in this period. Just try it in your home. It's not. It's nice. Tastes good. It's nice. Ham suya. Very simple. You know ham is already salted, so just slice it, put in the oven or air fryer. It doesn't take a little time. You get what you want. Serve your family, serve your guests. Please subscribe to our channel and see you in our next video. Bye.